Hello, my friends. Today I will tell you about my daily routine. My name is Luna. I am 11 years old. I live with my mom, dad, and baby brother. Morning. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I wear my school dress. My mom gives me breakfast. I eat bread and eggs. I drink milk or juice. I take my school bag. I say, "Bye, Mom." I go to school with my friend Emma. At school. School starts at 8 a.m. We sing the morning song. Then we go to class. We learn English, math, and science. I love reading stories. My teacher is very kind. At 10:30 a.m., we eat snacks. Then we go back to class. At 1 p.m., we eat lunch. I sit with my friends. We eat and talk. Then we play in the playground. After school. At 3 p.m., school ends. I go home with Emma. At home, I change my clothes. I eat a snack. I help my mom. Then I play with my baby brother. At 5 p.m., I do homework. My dad helps me with math. Evening and night. At 6 p.m., I go for a walk. I see trees, birds, and the sunset. Sometimes I ride my bicycle. At 7 p.m., we eat dinner. We sit and eat together. After dinner, I watch TV. I like cartoons. At 9 p.m., I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wear my night dress. My mom tells me a story. She says, "Good night, Luna." I smile and sleep. I love my day. It is simple and happy. Every day, I learn something new. Thank you for listening.